Hey, hey, it's Berta J. Welcome back to my kitchen with me today. We're going to do something that is not going to take very much time. All of you like ice cream, and so we're going to make some ice cream. I got this recipe from one of the greatest books. This is a really good book, and I just want to give it a plug. It's called How Not to Die. It's by Michael Greger, and I'm taking one of his recipes to do today. It has no sugar in it except natural sugar from fruit. I just want to let you know this is where this recipe comes from. It's very simple, very easy, and before you know it, you'll have ice cream, okay? So, what you're going to use is, I cut his recipe in half. You're going to use 2 frozen bananas. Now, I use my bananas without the skin, and you just stick it into your food processor with an S-blade. After that, you're going to use 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and all you really have are 3 ingredients, and then you have the best ice cream around. Then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's it, 3 ingredients. Snap that on. It's going to be noisy, but just keep letting it run, okay? It's done. You could scrape it down. If the bananas are super frozen, what will happen is it'll make a lump in here, but keep letting it run. This is kind of soft today, but it is really, really yummy. And this is what it'll look like, kinda. Sometimes there's a lump, a ball, and you've got yourself ice cream from 3 ingredients, okay? And this freezes really, really well. I've frozen it. When I tried it, I didn't eat it all. This is really 2 servings. You use a half a cup. This is about a half a cup. And there you have it. Well, a little bit more. And that's it. I just wanted to add that if you want hard ice cream, like a hard serve that you would lick, you're going to have to use the bananas straight from the freezer, and you're going to put them in your food processor, and this is what you'll come out with. It's still soft, but it's harder than it was before. If you want a soft serve, just leave it out a little bit longer. That was the other one. Kind of creamy, more like a smoothie. But if you want it hard like this, take those bananas straight from the freezer and put them in your food processor, and you'll have a hard serve ice cream, okay? I just want to try it. Not that I don't know that it's delicious, but it is good. If you've got to like bananas, and I know that some of you are diabetic and this may be too much, but if you can, give it a try and see what you think. So I'm going to try it. This makes me forget about ice cream. It's sweet enough. You don't need sugar. You don't need anything. Just mix this up and you'll have yourself ice cream. Now, the thing I want to do is to offer you a challenge. And the challenge is this. See what flavor you can come up with. This is just vanilla. You could change your nut butter. Maybe you want peanut butter instead of almond butter. Maybe you want a different extract to try something different. Add some fruit. Put in some nuts. What kind of flavor of ice cream can you come up with? I'm on Instagram at IamBertaJ. Send me a picture and tell me the name of your flavor of ice cream and how much you liked it. You can also put the type of ice cream that you're making. Besides putting it on Instagram, you can also put it below in the comments to let me know what it is. Now there's no picture, but it's okay. You can just let me know what you made, all right? So 2 places, okay? So the challenge is on. I'm gonna also put up a picture. So I'm waiting to hear from you. Until next time, and until I see your picture on Instagram, bye for now.